Dave at HD Trucks and Equip. We're located in Apache Junction, which is the most eastern suburb of Phoenix, Arizona. So nice place to come visit and take a look at a truck. We sell all kinds of medium and heavy duty trucks, crane trucks, bucket trucks, all kinds of stuff. The one I want to show you today is one that we just drove in about a week ago. If you need to pull your little boat to the lake or something this weekend, here's the truck for you. This is a 2015 Kenworth T880. This thing is all factory, all loaded for bear. This is a 80,000 pound GVWR truck. It's got the huge, big old wide tires on front. Factory air drop axle. And of course, tandem axles back here. They are also riding on air ride suspension. And it's got the usual good little stuff. Nice heavy duty fifth wheel plate. It's got the air lock, the whole 9 yards. This has a wet kit on it already. Has a nice Merrit aluminum headache rack with the chain, little places to hang your chains. It's got a set of work lights up there. It's even got a yellow light bar up there for you. And on both sides, it's got Merrit toolboxes, and they're kind of deceiving. They're bigger than I thought they were. Those are pretty good size. You can put a lot of stuff in them. Wow, that's a little warm. It's about 110, 115 degrees here right now in Phoenix. So yeah, it's a little warm. So this truck, I drove this truck personally, probably, I don't know, 1,500 miles, something like that, to get in here. And it runs and drives absolutely beautifully, just exactly like what you'd expect. Might be a little loud. You're listening to a, I think it's a 485 horse Cummins 15. So a lot of power, a lot of horses. Even got the cool little sun visor up there. Oh, these are actually Alcola wheels all the way around, and they're all Alcola wheels, even the inside ones. So nobody tried to go cheap by saving any money on them. Tires on it are, they're okay. They're not, some of them are like new, some are not like new, but I didn't worry about it. Like these two front ones up here, I think those are brand new. So plenty of rubber. I don't think anybody has to worry about that. Nice piece. I think that's a 100-gallon fuel tank. And of course, there's your depth there. As I say, there's all kinds of toolboxes. There's your tag axle or your lifting axle right there. We don't need that. So I'm going to just set it back up where it should be. Gorgeous truck. We have done no painting. No anything. We might have sprayed it off. That's about it. I don't even think we got the windshield done on it yet. This does have power windows, power door locks, and I want you to see the interior of this, even under the floor mat. That is a clean truck. There's your gauges, power seat, power lumbar, power everything, reclining seat of course as well. I'm going to get up there. Oh, here's your information on it, just so you can see. These are all pictured on our website as well. As I say, it's a 485 horse. Looks like it's got 373 rear gears in it. Did a nice job. 65, 67 miles an hour, and you're running, maybe 1,900 RPM, something like that. Seat in it is great. Armrest both sides. All kinds of manuals right there that come with it. owner's manuals, suspension, you name it. It's got a factory Kenworth sound system in it. Radio works great. Did not have a CD with me, so I can't tell you about that. Working air conditioning. Yeah, we kind of need that here in Phoenix. And there's your control for the wet kit, and the controls. There's your locking for the rear axle back there. There's your 3-position Jake brake. That one's an engine fan. This one here is cruise control. Nice piece. Just such a clean truck. And that is running an Eaton 18 speed. All your little buttons and all that good little stuff right there for you. And of course you got your air brakes for the trailer as well as the chassis. Work lights, the light bar on the top as I mentioned. The truck is running. I want you to notice that there's no check engine lights, none of that kind of stuff there. That is just a super rig. Notice the mileage up there, 117. So yeah, there's not a lot of usage on this truck there. There you go, nice little air horn. It's got everything here that you'd expect it to be. It even has tilt wheel down here. You can pull that lever. You can raise and lower the steering column, of course, on it. Nice truck. LED lights up there. Just a nice piece. 485 horse Cummins motor under the hood, 18 speed. This has got pretty much everything you need, guys. If you have a need for a heavy duty hauler, 80,000 pound factory GVW. Everything you're looking at here is factory. That is just an absolutely gorgeous truck. Gorgeous truck. Power windows, power door locks, light bar, wet kit. Nice. Just such a nice truck. Got this from a one of our large fleet accounts. They were driving it, they were using it, they were maintaining it. Get a lot of trucks from these guys. They do a nice job. That's why we get them. So this is Dave with HD Trucks and Equip. And if you need a different type of toy, there's a Volvo, there's an International 5500i, there's a Western Star 4900 SBA right there. And all of our trucks, of course, have very low mileage. They're all just like this one. We don't stock rusty trucks. We don't stock trucks with problems. I usually show you this, but I think it was pretty self-explanatory. Yeah, there's no rust. There's not even any rust on the frame. This thing is going to make somebody a spectacular truck. Price on that truck, right there sitting just the way it is, that's an absolute steal at $89,900. 2015. You can't find anything else on the road like that. So once again, it's Dave, HD Trucks and Equip. Phone number 602-510-5444. And contact us with any of your medium to heavy duty needs. We pretty much stock a little bit of everything. And once again, as usual, I greatly appreciate you taking the time to look.